back to my channel if you've already watched any of my previous videos. So with everybody getting in the holiday spirit, I thought I'll do a holiday themed video today. And in today's video, I'll be taking you through my doodle for the holiday season. Do stick around till the end and let me know what you think of the final outcome. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and let's begin. Oh, and also look at this cute little setup that I've done for this video. I really love it, and I mean, it's Christmas and everybody's getting in the Christmas spirit, and yeah, so I think this is sort of my favorite bauble. It's a shiny gold one. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Christmas color is or what your favorite Christmas decoration is. I hope you have a great Christmas and a wonderful holiday. Do enjoy this, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So there you have it, the final result. And do let me know what you think of this mandala bauble. And I really enjoyed drawing this, and I am so excited for the season, and I'm glad it's finally December and the year is coming to an end. I hope the next year is better than this year, obviously. But do let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon in my next video.